Make my little guy some armor.
Perfection.
Yes, yes it is. Very much so. Do you want to do something? Like get married? I'd go for that. God damn.
Yeah, it was. Bumped you right off the ship and onto a secret. That's a gut. And I've seen my fair share of guts. Wait, that came out wrong. My point is, seeing you jump off the boat brought back all kinds of memories.
Good memories, I hope.
Yeah, I used to go adventuring with a hunter just like you. Together, we tore up the land, sea, and sky. It made
Really?
me the adventuring junkie I am today.
How fascinating.
Well, that's enough chit-chat. See you later at the big huddle, yeah?
Yes, the huddle. That's what I'm thinking about.